In this video, I am going to show you the difference between BGA and a socket. The newer processors, Haswell and the later on, are expected to come directly, the process comes directly soldered over the BGA. So usually a processor like this comes with a socket. So the pins of the processors, they come out and they go into this socket. This is a typical laptop motherboard. Now it's also possible, if you look at this is the same processor where this part can be soldered directly onto the motherboard. For example, in this motherboard itself, this is a processor and this is a chipset. Chipset is basically, it communicates with the peripheral. So the processor does not communicate with the peripherals, for example USB and so on and so forth. It communicates first to the chipset, and then chipset communicates with the peripherals like USB, Ethernet, display. So this chipset is soldered directly to the motherboard. If you wanted to replace this chipset, you cannot. In the case of processor, it's possible to just take out this processor and replace it with another one on this socket. So that is the difference between a socket and the BGA directly soldered. The BGA provides some benefit. For example, you can reach a higher clock frequency because of this better signal integrity provided by the BGA. It reduces slightly the cost of the socket required, but at the same time it reduces the flexibility of replacing a processor. You cannot replace the processor once it's soldered directly to the motherboard. Hope it helps. Thank you.